Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Windows Update. This is where control lives. Once there, click Pause Updates and pick 7 days to stop the immediate download, or choose a later date up to 35 days if you need more time. Make sure you are signed in as an administrator, because these controls require elevated rights. Also check active hours to prevent forced restarts during work. This reduces disruption while you apply longer-term changes. Next, you tackle background delivery. Press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and find the Windows Update service. Set its startup type to manual or disabled, then click Stop to halt automatic checks. After that, open Delivery Optimization settings and limit or turn off peer-to-peer updates so other PCs don't trigger downloads on yours. Once done, make sure to test by checking for updates manually. This confirms the service remains stopped and prevents unexpected bandwidth use. For a lasting fix, open the Group Policy Editor, gpedit, MSC, and navigate to Windows Components Windows Update. Set Configure Automatic Updates to Notify for download so you control installations. After applying changes, restart the PC and verify the Windows Update page shows your chosen behavior. If updates still occur, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and reset update components using net stop WUSERV and net start WUSERV commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.